A quarter of Canada's technology workforce is based in Quebec, but new gender-based analysis shows women working in technology are by far a minority. It's no surprise to Mary Jo Leroux, one of a handful of female producers at Ubisoft.
I get asked a lot if there's more sexism because we're in such a minority, but whenever I've been working in other industries before I was in video games, there was a lot more.
The new technology sector study by Yes Montreal found that the number of women graduating from math, computer science, and engineering has dropped by about 20% in the last 20 years.
I was really disappointed because I thought, well, maybe it's just a perception, but when we went out to the community, we interviewed, I think, about 550 people. We went to stakeholders who are in the industry. We did focus groups. And unfortunately, it came back that a lot of the perceptions were accurate.
The study found that many of the women who do hold jobs in technology end up working in social media, marketing, and e-commerce, also known as soft technology, which is why Youth Employment Services is beefing up their efforts to target young women who want to beat the odds.
Part of the 3-year program is to create networking opportunities, mentorship program, workshops specifically for women who are interested in going into these fields.
It's also a place where employers can attempt to recruit more women.
I work for Gold Rush Entertainment. We're opening up an animation division, so if there's any young women that are looking to come in, we might have a place for you.
Another challenge the report reveals is that many women who do hold high-powered, high-tech jobs often end up leaving sooner than their male counterparts.
There's a really difficult retention rate. Women leave within 6 to 10 years when they go into these tech fields.
I haven't noticed that there are more women leaving or leaving faster. I haven't noticed that.
Leroux has been working at Ubisoft for 10 years and admits it's a lifetime compared to most in the gaming industry. And while she doesn't expect the high turnover rates to change, she would like to see more women follow in her footsteps.
I'm just used to it, so I don't feel like a minority.
Anne Leclerc, Global News, Montreal.